This is xTool Creative Space 2.0, the strongest yet easiest software for your laser cutters. xTool has made laser art creation accessible to everyone, regardless of your background and design skills. Simply place your materials in, focus, and select the parameters. And pop! See? Creation is an essential need that nothing can impede. Setting up the right parameters for every job can be challenging. That's why we created EasySet Library. After over 23,000 hours of continuous testing, we successfully included over 300 materials with pre-tested engraving and cutting effects, so you can get the best result every time you use any xTool machine.
That is awesome!
I know, right? Engraving on curved surfaces is an essential feature. Our Curve Ace algorithm allowing you to capture a precise 3D model upon production. What you see is what you get. Batch processing is an essential feature for xTool lasers. We developed Snapshot Preview. Just snap a photo, send to computer, now you unlock batch filling. Prepare everything with one simple click. The clarity and details have also been improved by a brand new pixel algorithm, making it true Ultra HD photo engraving capable.
Wait, are these freckles?
That is correct! Now, let's dive into the most exciting part. Efficiency. The intelligent path planning will always bring the fastest route to your project. Just imagine cutting your production time in half or even more. But of course, you can always customize it based on your preference. Multi-device management is now available. You can easily manage up to 6 devices at once. Just set up your projects and process it all at the same time. And to add a cherry on top, bitmaps can now be transformed into vector files. You can edit them with the Node's editing feature like a pro. Feel free to discover a world of shapes with just a click. The process is easy, fun, and totally in your control. Wait, I almost forgot to mention. Our cutting-edge AI integration tailored for laser workflow is now launched. It's going to elevate your art creation to a whole new standard. xTool Creative Space. Turn imagination into creation.